Hello everyone, I'm replacing the lights for this 2009 Scion XD, particularly the side marker light bulb here and this thing called the clearance light bulb, which is underneath the main headlight. Let me show you what these bulbs look like because I took them out already. Yes. Let me show you one of them at a time. Well, just one of them first. So they look like. Okay. And these are the replacement light bulbs that I got. It's a 10 pack. Hold on, let me remove them out of the box. Okay, these are the replacement light bulbs I'll be installing. It's a 10 pack and both of the lights are out, so I'll be using 4 of them. Okay, so I've popped the hood. I'm looking at the passenger side front light. I've already removed the plug for the side marker. It's a bit difficult, but it's this thing here. It's underneath, and I hold it by this end here, and I just twist it out. That's a side marker light bulb socket. The clearance light bulb is more difficult to access. It's this thing here, and that thing is below the headlight, which is hard for me to film, but the headlight bulb is right here, so the clearance light bulb socket is underneath. So I have to dig my fingers and hand and access it. Similar to this one, there's a thing here where you can access it and twist it out. So I'm gonna put the light bulbs on and put them back in. Okay. Oh, and the same thing on the driver side headlight too. Okay, so I put the side marker light bulb in. Just pop them out of this thing here and push it in. Same thing with the clearance light bulb, which is down there. Very hard to see, but there it is right there. And the same thing on the driver's side. Hold on. Here's the driver's side marker light bulb. And the clearance bulb for the driver's side also right there. Okay, I'm going to put them in now. Okay, I put everything back in. As you can see, the clearance light bulb is on, and I turned the car to the light switch to the middle mode, and also the side marker light bulb. You see, that's okay. And this is the passenger front bulb. So yeah, clearance light bulb is on. And also the side marker light is on. And again, I used these new Philips light bulbs. These are the original ones. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.